Question 11. 7,843 people were watching a football match. 2,142 were women and the rest were men. How many more men than women were there? For this question, they are actually asking for the difference between men and women. So some of you may be asking, do I need a model for this question? The answer is no, and that is because the values given in this question is the total and the value for one of the groups, which is women. From here, we can actually directly find the number of men by subtracting the number of women from the total, and therefore we do not need a model. So the next question that you may ask is, when then should I be drawing a model? So imagine if this question, instead of giving you the number of women, they gave you the difference instead. So if the total and difference is given, you can actually draw a comparison model for women and men. Okay, and given that men is more than women, okay, we can then label the difference. Okay, this will be the difference, and you can label the total. Okay, so as you can see here, if difference is given, you can actually use a model to solve this question. Okay, however, of course, for this question, okay, instead of giving us the difference, they actually gave us the number of women, which we can then directly find how many men were there. So a model is not needed. So let's start by solving for the number of men. So given that there are 7,843 people in total, we can take this number, okay, and minus 2,142, which is the number of women, which would give us 5,701. So now that we have the value for men, and we also have the value for women, okay, to answer the question, we can simply find the difference between these two numbers, which would be 5,701 minus 2,142, which would give us 3,559. And that would be the answer for question 11.